If you've ever received an Excel spreadsheet and wondered how to open an Xlsx file in LibreOffice, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to open a .xlsx file using LibreOffice, whether you start from the main LibreOffice app or jump straight into LibreOffice Calc. This is great if you want to view, edit, or work with Excel files without needing Microsoft Excel. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, launch the main LibreOffice application on your computer. You can also open LibreOffice Calc directly if you prefer going straight into the spreadsheet program. Once LibreOffice is open, look at the top menu bar and click File. From the drop-down menu, choose Open. This will bring up a file browser window where you can locate the spreadsheet you want to work with. Now, navigate to the folder where your .xlsx file is stored. If the file is on your desktop, in Downloads, or in a Documents folder, just browse to that location. Take your time and make sure you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple spreadsheets saved in the same folder. Once you find the Xlsx file, click on it once to highlight it. Then click Open. LibreOffice will load the spreadsheet and open it in Calc so you can view or edit the content. If the file contains formatting, tables, formulas, or multiple sheets, LibreOffice may take a moment to fully load everything. After it opens, you can start editing right away, just like you would with any other spreadsheet. You can scroll through the rows, switch between sheets, make changes and save your work when you're done. And that's it. Opening an Xlsx file in LibreOffice is really that simple. You don't need any complicated setup. Just open LibreOffice, go to File, choose Open, find your file, and click Open. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.